Stell für diesen Beitrag die Qualität auf HD. Adressen, Google Maps Links und Tipps findest du in der Beschreibung.
Himself. That looks very much like Marion Crane's 1957 Ford Sedan. Marion Crane was played by Janet Leigh in the film, and there she is now. Oh no. Well, that's suspicious. Hey, hello Norman, how are you doing today? Oh no, we gotta go, Jonathan. Just, yeah, as long as you're over there. Don't worry, we're not gonna show the cops any of the photos we took. We gotta go.
Tell everybody Mystery Incorporated is here at Universal Studios to solve any mystery. No mystery is too big or too small. Right? We're here to work, right?
Sure, that sounds great.
Groovy.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Jurassic World is dope too.
Don't let the dinosaur get that donut, ma'am. You do not want to meet a dinosaur on a sugar rush. Sort of a 2-for-1 on that, right? Have a great afternoon, guys. So this one, awesome. These will be our final 2 photos for now. Again, we encourage you to stick around. Blue is scheduled to be in the park throughout the day, along with her 6-month-old baby sister, Tango, as we study our dinosaurs' social relationship with humans so we can one day coexist and work together in jobs like transportation or construction, research and recovery.
Fell from the stars. I shall make the righteous fall before the wicked, for I am Megatron.